tell you, I say what will happen. Okwo soon with social media, what bata. No that one of book con what money they book top with social media. What beg a woman me a person like me, I go they break and reach through, I not go break and finish. They pray me bad more than not born picking. And peace tribe, my papa they tell me that for time. Akuna, go. Are you born well learning? We're gonna share the video. I provoked them this morning. 1 year plus. 5 days now I tell this matter. We see the end of this matter now. Una can't see the truth. Una not see say that man don't want to talk because of in-law. He don't want to talk. Not be the same thing we do to a children, we do to Okpamen, we be first speaking. Now they do to in-laws. So. Una the cause Okpamen every day, una the cause I say na bad picking because they disgrace mama. Una look see what in-law talk now. He don't want to talk because na person when he go school, na very educated somebody. He still want to protect the mother-in-law. Are you people getting it? How many mothers are there who can behave the way Mama Sharon is behaving now? I want you to come and prove yourself. Before we go into anything, we know what we are doing. We are no more a baby again in life. We are no more a baby. If we are doing something, we know what we are doing. Only the drunkards does not have the sense, the capability in the society. I want you people to share this video tonight. By tomorrow we can analyze any video we want to analyze. But the whole world are watching tonight. Since on Friday, I started to provoke these people. Since on Friday, I started to provoke these people. So for we to end this matter. Now that you people know the baby of the father cannot greet the father, I want you people to judge. Do people, all those women that is calling me, don't insult this woman, don't insult this woman. I never insulted this woman once. I only analyze the video where Pikin do. Now you people, I want you people to judge. I want to see the truth in you people. I want to know you people are a good mother now. I want to see. Person where they donate money for Europe where they can go as. If they has a Pikin husband may come pay the money. I want you people to judge from there. So I'm not going to analyze that video. I tell you, say if what will happen, not be the one that they see her. Not be one that come judge her. If you don't want to read truth for the life, so not be better people. Now here we want to know who they taught truth for all of us. Who stand for good way? Now we want to know. I just they tell you say, a no game out why say the calloy. Yam digwe yagyo ahamia. Yo wono enegbe yagyo odanyo no make afwa with dagbo. Omeme no make afwa olale sagi. And anybody no ni support money ogbeki in society. Anybody no in this sort of if you know ogun ogbu your pa he's a drunkard, he's a talkative. No. Have you people heard the Isaac? A husband to let Sharon. Have you people hearing why? But he don't want to go deep because of the children. Ni Sharon Biene. Mothers, I want you people to judge now. By tomorrow we will open the floor for you people. You tripping to come and make your contribution. By tomorrow, Nogio will open the floor. I want all mothers, the good mothers. I want you to come and judge. We pray not to have a bad mother. As you are looking me now, pray you will not have a bad mother. If you have a bad mother, something will never move away. It will never move from where you will only sink. I sink, you are sink. I said this is a way potopotore. Before he begin the quarrel, say the character of a mother is bad. And in-law can come now. Since when Sharon buy that man, now only once they don't pick a phone. Money where they donate, where everybody donate, they take carry Sharon go ask. He say make the man can't pay. Akuna. Oh, wa moya. Everybody cannot be foolish in the society. Everybody cannot be deaf and dumb in the society. There are good people where there are bad people. I told you people what is going to happen. I believe some of you will be ashamed tonight. If you know what is good for you, better do a good thing in the society. When I was doing my video this afternoon, this evening, I told you people, that's what I told you people. No me yes, no be a wagon working or there the go lerun. If Okpamen can tell you what his mother do is on video, in-law come now, he can't see talk. Who is the bad person in the society? I'm asking you people questions now. Share the village, let it go viral. Who is that person? Who is that person sending requests? Are you not sending requests? So I cannot compare myself with a drunkard. I'm too big. A drunkard that knows how to talk lies all the days of his life. We don't say lies, we say the truth. Only 5 days I used to push these people, they bring the picture out. Only 5 days. It's on Friday I'll be pushing these people. For we to see the end of this matter. For we to liberate Isaac. There's some people want to talk. They say Easy is giving me information. I swear tonight again, if Easy have ever called me since 1 year plus, apart from live video, when he called me when Sharon passed away, anything when I defend for Europe, when I don't see him. They say now Easy, they give me information. Now they give me no information. What is good is good. The spirit is working. Some people they talk and say, wait Sharon. In a Sharon they push everybody. Thank God say Sharon don't push everybody. Come out now. Mo say the truth. I think Sharon don't push everybody. Come out. Mo say the truth now. Una hear wetin your husband talk. He said Sharon know the good friends. He know the bad friends. Also with him, he know the good friends. He know the bad friends. It's just a pity. Our people perish because of knowledge. It's just a pity. Who are those that perish because of knowledge? All those akuna. Oh, he said they can never contribute good in the society. Who are the next people? A drunkard in the society have something to say in the public. Person who can drink from January to December, they ban where you are. Do a favor, share the video, let the video go viral. Don't mind my English, oh. I did not go to school. Anyhow I speak it, take it from me. By tomorrow we will analyze the video that we see tonight. I told you people what is going to happen. It's not by fighting by mouth, but the word that come out of mouth is the word that I'm pronouncing to the word. What is going to happen? I will start to swear any more that way say me, Father, no see picking again. Ogon back in bed. Oh, they go here. Bad women in the society, evil women in the society, they call themselves mothers. Have you know people see the word now they are pronouncing the money, what is going to happen? Have you people not see it? A mother telling in-law in Nigeria where people donate money in Europe to take Sharon back home. The cost to take him back home. He's not telling the in-law he should come and pay. Where are the money they donate? Where are the money people donate? And they are doing the finally. My accent was not there. They did not call the man for the finale. And see when Sharon passed away, this man has been calling Mama Sharon. He's not picking his phone. Why? Why did he do that? People will come now, come and say, Percy will pick it back, Percy will pick it back. All of you should shut up your mouth and get inside immediately. Bad mothers in the society. Evil mother in the society. They call themselves mothers. No good thing mothers can produce to us. It's a shameful thing if you people pass. You people want to just punish the men, to punish the men, to punish the men, to punish the men. Why? This young boy, what he don't do wrong because he come marry your pikin? Where did they quarrel? Mother no fit settle them. Bad mothers. Your pikin with in-law the quarrel. You see me not carry a phone again. That is bad. All those are bullshit mothers. Akuna, ogogo, who no gain. My father taught me. You should be careful. But when I say this thing, people begin to say, whatever. My father told me, are you people not seeing it now today? Have you people not begin to see it? It's not a good society again. That community has been destroyed. Asha when I mean no my boy. Again, they ekwe mu ashawo. Ashawo the shame. I cannot analyze any video tonight. Tomorrow morning I will analyze video, or tomorrow evening. But by 2:30 I'm going to work. I go and dress up, go to work. You see, you are hearing music now. By 3:30, everybody will go back home. We'll go and stay there till daybreak, till 8 o'clock before we come back home. Don't mind my broken English. We are not going to broken English. We are going to speak broken English for the whole world to understand. Only 7 days. It's not up to 7 days. I push these people. This money, we bet together. The evil people in the society. I said they bring the peace out. What is going to happen? Whose what they happen now? Where when I call ask questions, these good presenters in those cyberspace come and ask questions. Why this mother did not allow this man to be talking to her son, to her daughters? The same way our senior son Okpamen complained. The same way in-law has complained. He don't want to talk because of in-law. Have you people not be ashamed now? Don't mind my broken English, oh. I'm a learner for broken English. I will speak it the way I like. The same way. You see the way God will do something. The video of his son yesterday, many of you listened to it. Today, in-law can't talk. Have you know people say they are saying the same things in the family? This mother is a bad mother. Some people will come in indoor. For you people to say the truth, for other people to learn, for other mother to learn how to take care of their daughter or their son, how to be their daughter friends, how to be their son friends. You people will be biased. I want to define what I want to hear. Thank God you people are seeing the end now. The end of the matter has come. Isaac have come out now. I will still, he could go to Jebu, he go to anywhere. Anybody to stand on the front of the children not to say our children, the person with doubt, I mean dead. Oh yeah, I'm going to be your. No pure man, I know no coke. All these people, you people are wasting your saliva. If that boy want to buy ticket to Italy today, can buy tickets. I'm just telling you people. If you settle off the property, he can take a visa to Italy and to go and do DNA. He will claim that children from both of all of you. He will claim that children. You will not get access to that children again. So my people, una good with God go bless all of una. Make una Sharon. Any broken English when I speak, make una understand now. The prayer we have to be praying. All what is going wrong now today is for other mother to learn. If more than when he born, if he pikin don dey reach 15 years, 20 years, it good make mama see the fear pikin. If he pikin tell her say this thing you don't like her. You want me? See name where woman giving name. See name where mama giving name at 50 cents. Or my way mother 200 euro, mother 300 euro, mother 500 euro, 50 cents. No get it, we go. Okpamen ya say mother need Okpamen ahone. Or is a pants. Or is a London ahone mother pants. If Ashawo does, he get one where Ashawo waiting for darkness for Italy. You know, know as smart as they go, you the jump better matter. Go saying the third truth. Ashawo the third truth. You are only making noise. Okunoruwe baby. The world knows say Ashawo know the third truth. The elders, they don't say Ashawo know the third truth. Ashawo they try to blackmail person, make they say they're good. See what Atiti talk. See what Atiti talk. See what Atiti talk. The elders when they talk to, they don't say Ashawo know the third truth. Just they fool yourself again. If you say you are good, you are come out of darkness for people to know you are a good person. Anyway, my country people, una good night. Make una share the video, make it go viral. You know what I dey happy? If my enemy they go shame. The people who no one allowed to talk truth, where they say na evil, they want stand. If they go is shame, I go they happy. I'll let provoke you people to bring these people, these boy picture out. Not because don't bring a picture come out. Now today can't talk. Now today when I bring a picture come out, I can't talk. Only the few words that he mentioned now, una way believe the thought truth, una way get sense. Una go listen. I know they put one for something we know the good though. Person may not call me, but my spirit will they work. My spirit, person will not call me, but my spirit go they work. We will taste the truth of the and so my spirit take the work. I feel they tell I say person coming, now person coming, person not coming, but now my spirit they lead me to where they go. That's why I'm a prophet. I talk at the time with Sharon, I say na easy, may go marry Okpamen, senior brother to Okpamen. People say what I talk. I still repeat it yesterday. I'm still repeating it today again. They say people they ask me how it go take possible. The prophet prophesy to the world. You people should accept the prophets. When prophet prophesy to the world, don't commemorate the word of prophets. Una here just now, they say Sharon, Goroti even the toast, is the toast to Okpamen. When me don't prophesy for her, say, make she easy go marry Okpamen, make they take off the children. Sharon, the other one, we Goroti go the toast to Okpamen. I'm a prophet. I always say what is good to the world. I always say what is good to the world. If you accept, you do not accept, you have yourself to blame when time come. The word, don't mind my English. I did not go to school. Anyway, I speak it now. If you don't understand the broken English or the English that I'm speaking, rewind the video 2 times or 3 times to understand what I'm saying. When you revise the video 2 times or 3 times, you will understand what I'm saying. We pray for women not to have a bad mother in the society. We pray for have a kind mother. When man faith did not have a kind mother in the society, who's the kind mother? A kind wife. If you have a wife is very wicked, you have to be careful in your life. A wicked wife is a wicked mother. Where a kind woman is a kind wife. My father used to tell me, I said, "What shall we wicked be? We are wicked. What they only pretend to the world they are good. I will again." My father told me I did not ask. We pray not to make a mistake when our father is talking to us. As I'm talking to my children now, they say that I'm ranting my mouth. All the fake men that live, having piano, whatever. That who cannot face their own, who cannot continue their own. Daniel da agume, Daniel no mind it, no la le sagin. No la le sagin, wo. No mind it, no banwari, kiafwa. Even if you bow, if you woman we have if you go to New Benin Market, my mother shade is there, almost 10 shades. My sister collect the money. If you go to Uselu Market, my mother shade is there. If you go to Naifo, you go and look my mother pantry. If you went on women la war, na my kino yet they know today. If you no go make here, you wearing one. You need an arm with you at the day. On a pian. Another have you on almost say you another have you you na amwe another amwe you wa. Over beer no kick your mamma on la war. On a woo your woo on okay. When we are woo we are about Korean we are about who are days who buy you on okay when we are yakba. But that argument one. Made the when you wear. A word may go soon or so soon any. You are a man, don't be agbo with the total. Where Rus women, you are among all the people that say that you contribute to Dr. Sharon back home, and they went to go and be drawing Sharon husband the money to take the cost of home. Sit down, reason.